Welcome to Remitly 101. Today, we're covering how to send money to the Philippines. Before we start, make sure you've already downloaded the app. First, choose your language and then create your profile. During this step, select the Philippines as your destination country. Start a new transfer by selecting the send arrow. Enter the amount you want to send or the total amount you want your recipient to get. They can receive the amount in Philippine pesos or in US dollars. You can choose how you want the money delivered. When you send a transfer as Philippine pesos, you can send to a bank account, for cash pickup, to a debit card, to a mobile wallet, and even for home delivery. If you want the money to be received in US dollars, you can send for a bank deposit, cash pickup, or a debit card. When you're ready, select the payment method you prefer. Your fees and delivery time can vary depending on various factors, including the payment method you choose. For more details, check out the article linked in the description. You'll need to provide information about the person you want to send the money to. Depending on the delivery method, this could be their full name, address, phone number, and bank account. The app will prompt you, so you'll know what you need to include. Double check before you send, so that every number and letter is accurate. Once everything looks good, you can send the transfer. Remitly will keep you updated on the status. And that's it. Sending money to the Philippines with Remitly is simple and safe. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more Remitly tips and guides. See you next time.